forces that act on an airplane, which is lift, weight, thrust, and drag. These forces make an object move up and down and faster or slower. First, weight. This force comes from gravity pulling down on objects. To fly, an aircraft needs something to push it in the opposite direction from gravity. Second, lift. Lift is the push that lets something move up. It is the force that is the opposite of weight. Everything that flies must have lift. Next, drag. Drag is a force that tries to slow something down. It makes it hard for an object to move. Last, thrust. Thrust is the force that is the opposite of drag. Thrust is the push that moves something forward. For an aircraft to keep moving forward, it must have more thrust than drag.
Have you ever wondered what makes an airplane fly? Well, the answer is lift. But what is actually lift and how is it generated? A common way to describe lift is using Bernoulli's principle. So let's say you have a wing and the air is hitting the wing and moves above and below the wing. So the general idea is that the air above the wing moves faster, and because the air moves faster, a lift is generated, and the lift is caused by the air pressure below the wing, which is bigger than the pressure above the wing. This is the standard explanation for lift and Bernoulli's principle. Basically, what we see here is the essence of Bernoulli's principle and lift. Because of the difference in speeds, there is difference in pressure and lift is created. But air moves faster over the wing is that the external air pressure, which is actually the atmospheric pressure, is lower in that area. And in general, air will always move from a high pressure area to a low pressure area.